What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at the 2015 Kawasaki Ninja 300. We just got this bike in. This bike is awesome. This is the walk around video, so I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly what's wrong with this bike. Starting off, this bike has got killer tread on the tires. I mean, these tires are like almost new. This rear fender, it's in good shape. I mean, you got some scuffs. I mean, it's plastic on a rear fender. If I were you, I would totally just get the fender eliminator kit and just reassign that license plate. The graphics on the tail look pretty good. It's got this custom IXIL silencer exhaust, which looks and sounds pretty cool. Rear pegs are in good shape. Don't look scratched up or anything. Rider pegs, it looks pretty good. Got a couple little scuffs on that pedal. On the brake there. So it looks pretty good on this side. We got a little scuff right there, a little chip in the plastic. This is the special edition. It is green and black, as all Kawasaki's are. Scuff there. Bar end, lever end look pretty good. You got a little bit of a paint chip on the lever end, but it doesn't look like it has been down. So it looks pretty good. Tread on the front tire is amazing. If you guys are looking for your first bike, this is a great first bike because you really buy it, you don't have to do anything to it. You kind of just ride it until you want to upgrade. On this side, scrape right there, some scrapes along there if you can see those. Pretty common with these bikes just because they're kind of everyone's first beginner bike. So, someone might, drop in a parking lot or something like that, scratch on the plastics. If you bought this bike, I would not recommend, scratch down there. I would not recommend putting new plastics on it. It's kind of like bar end and lever end are scratched up. Not a huge deal. It's kind of like not that big of a deal. You're not going to have this bike forever. If you do, kudos to you. Then go ahead and do it, but most guys right there are not gonna have this bike forever. Ride it the way it is, get used to the bike, and then just sell it to the next guy. That's kind of what these bikes are for. Slight dare in the seat right there. So it looks pretty good. Top of the tank's got two little scuffs on it right there. Oh, this bike's in great shape. It's got 7,000 miles on it. These are killer bikes. Let's fire it up. 7,321. Fires up right away. I mean, you really can't ask for more for your beginner bike. Go tread on the tires, she runs great. That's really all you need. That exhaust sounds amazing. Sean, what are your thoughts on this being someone's first bike?
It's a pretty sweet bike. It's got some good rubber on there.
It's got killer tread.
Asher just took it for a test drive. He loved it, man. I'm gonna take it for a test drive too. Show you guys how this is a great first bike, but also a good track day bike. It's crazy. You can actually learn how to ride on this thing, but you can also really take it to the limits and show your buddies how you're better than them.
I showed these scuffs over here. I mean, my thoughts are it's probably gonna be most people's first bike. Don't go buy new plastics.
Yeah, you can barely even see them too.
Just ride it the way it is. It's not a big deal.
A little bit of black touch up, yeah, it's fine.
It's not a huge deal, guys.
No one can tell when you're moving 2 miles an hour.
That's true. Nobody's gonna see it. So like I say, guys, 2015 Kawasaki Ninja 300
Special edition.
Special edition. It's a killer first bike, guys. Like I said, it's gonna be really, really cheap on the spectrum of 2015 sport bikes. It's gonna be an easy way for you to get onto a reliable, good first bike. Check it out on the website. Make sure to check out both test drive videos. Maybe you will keep this bike forever. Maybe you will just ride this bike until the end of time. But thanks a ton for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the channel and make sure to subscribe. Thanks a ton, guys.